Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha The Curse. But before we get to Umkhokha The Curse, my landlords, I've got a YouTube channel called Spilled Juice. I'm doing it just in case we lose this one. Please do go and subscribe. There are a few entertainment videos there. But let us start on Nobuntu. Ukabisile is furious. Ukwatela uNobuntu ukuthi girl phela mina sengikhiphe imali ngithungisile. And when all of a sudden ukhetha icheese boy ezothi ngike ngaba. I was in my time. I was a soldier. Wayeka uNdlovu lobe sophila kamnandi yonke into ihambe kahle wena. Wahamba wayolanda I once was kiri bekusile kangaka ukuthi uNobuntu amufahlaze ngempama. Because Kabisile waphapha, like literally go waphapha. Hayi uNobuntu naye kumuntu wakhe phela nasi stress simphethe akhale kumuntu wakhe akhale ngokuthi bamdisownile akhale nje ngama complaints wonke ayenzakala endlini treatment everything. Hayi ume ngamala amduduze man azathi mele ngibe yindoda. Mele ngibe yindoda kirmenga wena. Ukabandoda wiring like ngwana batho ukabandoda wiring or nantwere wizi nguru wena ushuda ukamara koloi how every time you're always in your car nothing else. But ke umenga decides ukuthi the best thing is to confront uphakathwayo goes kagumede afuna ukuhlangana nophakathwayo amtshela uzodwa ukuthi no you can't meet nophakathwayo like it's not going to end well. Everybody tried. Hayi wami umenga man wathi ngithi ngiyama ngifuna ukukhuluma nophakathwayo. Hayi bazama uphakathwayo bangazwani. Uphakathwayo aqine alanda ilokhunja jampi akithi libitsanga amkhwiphe bathi hayi phakathwayo sekuyiqala ekithibang yeho thwara kamo azathi ke uGellings uNobuntu ukuthi baba uma uxosha umenga nami ngiyahamba lona Nobuntu bamtobelitse no for real Nobuntu bamtobelitse and bamtobelitse ngana Nobuntu nathoma kuyihudla lanhlalwanya ke like girl is on another level that I don't get. But ke that was the alternative for last statement yakhe ukuthi if uqosha lo hayi nami ngiyahamba ubaba khena ngombhekile emehlweni sonke simeli answer sibeke uphakathayo sibeke umenga sibeke uNomuntu sibeke uphakathayo sibeke ubenga sibeke uNobuntu nangiyahambiyani uNobuntu ekamereni ayopaka amabheg paka amabheg ugeli hayi angena uphakathayo athi hayi shem girl the way uwenza ngakhona awubonakalisi ngathi umuntu oserious amncedisa uphakathayo lahlele ngaphandle yazi agibele ugeli emotweni ahambe nomenga. Yes, she literally chose a man over family. Yo, Lord, muone kupala somebody afonele kuNobuntu amuone hore bona ngwanyana monna 45 ayitshepa holiday ding umalume guyzini. Before ngiya kulezi ezakaza mqolo uqala kaza kamalume akhiphe ugirl on a date amuculele azamtshela ukuthi ingoma zabo shwino mtika esakhe. But I love that this time around he went all out and he didn't buy her with money, but he just expressed himself, even though we know Uguti he added spice there and there. But I think after this they will formally be a couple and Umalume will finally have a wife that he calls his own. So moving on, hayi ke uzamqolo ke asave umuntu wakhe. We are just hoping ke ukuthi uNomafu angasaphinda senze kanje. Alright, makaqeda ngumsave azamtshela ukuthi hey baby girl, this place is not safe. Let us go home first thing in the morning. I don't know ukuthi bebaplan ukubuya nini but ke bathi haka matorokisi going back home. Mabafike ekhaya ajabulile umanzimanda ajabulile ukubabona hayi man wabona bathu kari bathethe kimezi kari kilukhuhunyana zawomela habu sir what is the problem ayaqala ukuqambalala uNomafu banamele khushuke uNomafu loyo laba bahlale phansi bayi2 hayi man umbono ukuthi uSiphamandla is very emotional when he needs to tell the story. Like you could see that he's hurting nje from the core and he had to tell his mom ukuthi you know what uNomafu uzamile ukuziphonsela and mina I'm so scared. Hayi man umanzimande makathi uyayicabanga ngathi hayi man noma kuthiwa into ziyafana umkhokha kaMamzobe lo. Yo guys, Umkhokha is back. You remember what happened? Like, yo, do you remember what happened to Umlungisi? Yo, it must not happen to umuntu wethu. No, I refuse. Hayi, makaqeda ukumtshela ne uManzimande ukuthi umkhokha kaMamzobe lo agijima. Gijima uzamqolo up the stairs. Nomafu. Because now he's like, what if he jumps out of the window? Nomafu. What if she does something like no? I don't know Mafulele. I was in Yabonga Mvelas. You could hear the sigh. You would of relief. Uzamqolo ke agqine sekatshela uNomafu ukuthi hayi girl umkhokha konke lo oyenzakalayo because uNomafu beseka worried abuza ukuthi what's happening to me yini inkinga yami like what is the problem umbona ugela ukuthi yaphenika hayi wamtshela ke uzamqolo iqiniso ukuthi umkhokha wonke lo equation esinayo sonke ukuthi uyophela lo mkhokha or uzoqhubeka lo mkhokha. And because we know ukuthi umkhokha must take a person by fire by force, how are they going to make sure ukuthi awusaqhubeki? And now because uNomafu akasase wakagumede sewakamvelasi kusho ukuthini lokho like why umkhokha umlandela because bamkhiphile sibayeni sakibo bamkhipha ngesuitcase wayongena ngale so like I don't get it. But yeah, if you know please do explain to us. But mina personally I angifuni ukuthi ahambe uNomafu. This is your girl Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.